Hello, this is Greg coming to you from Fittipaldi Off-Road. Today we are coming to talk to you about the Fittipaldi Terra Series. This series here we built for performance and aesthetics for on and off-road usage. All these wheels actually come in 17-inch diameters and in multiple finishes. Here's our FT100 model. This is actually more of a full-face design, military-inspired wheel with the simulated beadlock ring. We actually do this wheel in 6 different finishes, 4 of them shown here, plus we do an anthracite center with a black ring, or we do a full satin black face. Here is our FT101 model. This is one of our more aggressive designs with the cathedral window design and a deep concave built into it, along with the simulated beadlock ring. We even did some pockets in here to help lighten the wheel. So this wheel actually comes in 5 different finishes. The one that we don't have here is actually the red with the black simulated beadlock ring. This here is our mirror coat finish. We are going to offer this finish on the FT100 and the FT101 models. This will be a limited availability. Here's the FT102 model. This is actually our model that we kind of did a throwback to the old 1990s JDM styling, but we did an off-road twist to it to complement any type of overland build. This comes in 4 different finishes: your common standard anthracite finish, your satin bronze, and your black, and then we wanted to add some more flavor to it, so we added a blue into the mixture. Here we have the FT103 model. This is more your classic design with the 8 window openings. We also went through and cut out 16 slots on the face here to reduce weight and strengthen the inner part of the barrel here. This wheel actually comes in 4 different finishes: your standard anthracite, black, and satin bronze, and then add some flavor into the mix. We added a blue just to give it that extra touch. Here at Fittipaldi Off-Road, we want to go through and make sure that we take the extra measures so that your wheels come into you damage-free. So we're going to open it up here. We actually go through and V-board all the corners to try to help in case any shipping damage happens. Cardboard in here for vibration. Any instructions, whether warranty or mounting, come inside the box. We actually go through every single wheel and we actually wrap them in plastic. Let's open this up here. And on both sides of the wheel, you'll find where it's actually foam rolled on both sides of the beads to try to help with additional damage. And even the faces we wrap in a foam and this cloth cover for any type of scratches or anything, so the wheel comes in as clean and free as possible.